In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get into Harvard Medical College from India. Applying to Harvard is a significant undertaking and one that requires careful preparation, especially for international students. If you're aspiring to join the elite group of students at Harvard, you're in the right place, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. Firstly, navigate to the Harvard admissions page for international applicants at college.harvard.edu. This page is a treasure trove of information curated specifically for students applying from abroad. Harvard has a welcoming stance for international students with the same admissions and financial processes in place for every applicant, regardless of nationality or citizenship. Once you're on this page, explore the key sections that are crucial for your application. These include the overview, which outlines the general admissions procedure, and the common questions, which can help clarify any uncertainties you may have. Both the common application and coalition application are accepted, and there's no preference for one over the other. It's important that you select one and complete it with the necessary supplements. Regarding standardized tests, Harvard accepts either the SAT or ACT. These are essential components of your application, but if these exams aren't accessible to you, there are alternatives. You can submit AP exam results, IB scores, or predictions. Additionally, GCSE or A-level results, either actual or predicted, are acceptable. Even national leaving exam results or predictions can be submitted to fulfill this requirement. However, English language proficiency exams, like the TOEFL or IELTS, are not substitutes for standardized testing requirements. Nevertheless, they can be submitted to demonstrate your English proficiency, which is indispensable for successful study at Harvard. If you're worried about the financial burden of taking these standardized tests, note that while SAT and ACT fee waivers are generally not available for non-US citizens, the admissions committee encourages those in financial hardship to still apply and submit any accessible results. Interviews are another component of the application process. Although alumni interviews are not mandatory, and you might not get the opportunity to have one, your application won't be negatively affected if you don't partake in this aspect. Lastly, keep an eye on the translated materials and privacy information sections on the admissions page. These can be beneficial, particularly if English isn't your first language, or if you have concerns about how your data will be used or protected during the application process. With persistence, planning, and a thorough understanding of the admissions requirements, you'll be well on your way to crafting a compelling application to Harvard Medical College. Remember, it's all about showcasing your strengths, achievements, and potential to contribute to the Harvard community, so put your best foot forward, and good luck.